Welcome back. In a world where education is revered as the gateway to success, an alarming trend is emerging: the increasing dependence on tuition outside of regular school hours. This article critically examines the underlying reasons for this trend, focusing particularly on the role of school education and its limitations, which often compel students to seek additional tuition. We delve into the repercussions of this phenomenon, not only on the financial burden it places on families but also on the holistic development of children, who are missing out on essential activities like sports and hobbies. The burden of extra tuition, a reflection of our education system. The critique of school teaching. The growing necessity for tuitions raises critical questions about the effectiveness of school teaching. Are our schools failing to provide the quality of education required for students to succeed? This issue points towards a larger problem: the gaps in school education systems. It's not uncommon to hear complaints about inadequate teaching methods, overburdened curricula, and a lack of individualized attention in schools. This inadequacy forces parents to turn to tuitions as a supplementary measure to ensure their children keep up. The financial strain on families. Tuitions come at a cost, both financially and in terms of time. For many families, this is a significant financial strain. The expectation that quality education can only be achieved through extra tuition is a reflection of the inequity in our education system. It suggests that only those who can afford these additional resources can provide their children with the best chance of success. The lost opportunities for holistic development. The most profound impact of this reliance on tuitions is on the students themselves. The hours spent in extra classes mean less time for sports, hobbies, and other extracurricular activities that are crucial for holistic development. These activities are not just pastimes, they play a pivotal role in shaping a child's personality, creativity, physical health, and even social skills. The need for a paradigm shift in education. Relying heavily on tuitions reflects a deeper crisis in our education system. It's a signal that we need to rethink how we educate our children. Education should not be just about scoring high on exams, it's about developing curious, well-rounded individuals with a love for learning. The role of schools. The need for change begins in our schools. Schools must evolve to provide more comprehensive, inclusive, and engaging education. This includes adopting teaching methods that cater to different learning styles, reducing the emphasis on rote learning, and fostering an environment where questions and creativity are encouraged. Empowering teachers. Teachers play a crucial role in this transformation. Investing in teacher training, reducing class sizes to allow for more individualized attention, and providing teachers with the resources they need are critical steps towards improving the quality of school education. The bigger picture. The focus of education needs to shift from mere academic achievement to the overall development of the child. This includes integrating life skills, emotional intelligence, and extracurricular activities into the curriculum. Conclusion. The over-reliance on tuitions is a symptom of a larger problem in our education system, one that requires urgent attention and action. As educators, parents, and policymakers, we need to collaborate to create an education system that truly caters to the diverse needs of every student, negating the need for additional tuition. It's time to shift our focus from producing high scorers to nurturing well-rounded individuals who are equipped to face the challenges of the real world. If this critical examination of our education system has struck a chord with you, please hit the like button and share your views in the comments. Your engagement is crucial in driving this important conversation forward. Don't forget to subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Be sure to check the description for further readings and resources on educational reform. Together, let's advocate for a change that truly makes a difference in the lives of our future generations.